In this video, I will show you how to calculate employee overtime automatically in Excel. No manual calculation, no confusion. You will see exactly how Excel can do maths for you. This is a must-know trick for every HR professional. Let's see how. Here I have my sheet. In this sheet, we have got some employees and we have got their time in and time out. We have mentioned regular hours as 8 hours, and first we will calculate the total working hours. After that we will calculate the overtime. Let's see how we can calculate the total hours. We will click here. We will use the mode function because it will give us the positive value because time cannot be negative. So we will select the timeout minus time in. We will use 1 to get always a positive value. At last we will multiply by 24 to automatically convert the fraction into hours. We will click enter and let's change the format to number so that we can get the hours in number. So we have got total work hours are 10. We will click this plus sign and drag down to expand this formula to all our data. Now we have calculated the total work hours. Now let's see that how we can calculate the overtime. We will calculate the overtime by setting a condition. If the work hours are greater than regular hours, then overtime will be calculated, because if an employee did not complete the regular hours, he will not be entitled to get the overtime. So first we will set the condition. If total hours are greater than regular hour, then we should calculate the overtime. So overtime is total hours minus regular hours. We will put 0, as if this condition is false then result will be 0. Press enter and you can see that we have got the 2. It means employee work for total 10 hours, 8 hours were regular, then any hour he worked over and above the 8 hours, that will be considered as overtime. Similarly, click on the plus sign, drag to down the range to get the total data. Now we can do one more thing. We can calculate the overtime amount for each employee. Let's suppose per hour rate for this employee is $15 and he worked for 2 hours. So we will multiply working hours by the rate to get the total amount for that employee. So we have got 30. It means that his payment for working 2 hours mean for the payment of the overtime is 30. Similarly, click the plus sign and drag to the down to get the payment for all employees. That's all for today. You see that how easily we can calculate overtime in Excel by applying simple formulas. This is a simple yet perfect for HR and payroll use. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share with others to help them. See you in the next one.